Hello everyone, welcome you all to class 11 of Spoken English and Basic Grammar. In this class, we are going to discuss how to use various parts of speech in a sentence. We have already studied all parts of speech in class number 1 to class number 10. Now, let us learn how to use these various parts of speech like noun, adjective, verb, etc. in a sentence. So, let's begin with what is sentence. We have already studied in class number 1 with regard to what is a sentence. Let us just understand what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which gives some meaning. Okay, it should make some sense. Whatever may be the sentence, it should give certain meaning or it should convey some message. A sentence usually contains a subject and predicate. We have already studied that. A sentence usually contains a subject and a predicate. So, what is this predicate? So, predicate usually contains verb and object. Therefore, a sentence is equal to subject plus verb plus object. So, usually a sentence means it should contain a subject, a verb, and object. Then it can convey a clear meaning about that particular sentence. Okay, now let us use various parts of speech in a sentence. So, how to use various parts of speech in a sentence? First of all, noun. So, how we can use noun? Noun can be used as a subject, okay, or as an object. So, let us understand this with various examples. First one, Kiran goes to school every day. Okay, I said noun can be used as a subject or also it can be used as a object. So here Kiran is a subject. It is used as a subject. So Kiran is what? It is a noun. The next one. Indore is the cleanest city. Now Indore is the name of the city. It's a noun. It is used as a subject in this sentence. The Eden Garden is situated in Delhi. Okay, again, Eden Garden is a name, it becomes a noun. He is situated in Delhi. Delhi is a place, okay, it is a noun, it is used as an object of a sentence. Okay, it is Eden Garden is situated in Delhi, so it is an object of a sentence. He went to a big temple. See, he is a pronoun here, subject here, okay, and temple is a noun here, it is a object of a sentence. Okay, it is an object of a sentence. So this is how we use noun in a sentence as a subject, as an object. We can see in all sentences there will be, okay, two parts. One is subject and another one is object. So both these parts are used as what? It is noun. See, in this sentence also, even the Kiran is a subject, there is an object in a sentence, that is school is a noun used as an object in this examples also. Okay, Indore is a cleanest city, so city is a noun here. Okay, so we can find in all sentences subject and object which are called as noun. Now let's go to the next one, that is pronoun. So how to use pronoun in a sentence? It is always used as a subject or object, same like noun, because pronouns are called as instead of nouns. Instead of nouns we use pronouns, or while we have to repeat a noun we use pronoun. Let us see the examples for pronoun, how to use pronoun. It's very simple. He is watching TV, so he is a subject here, it is used in the place of subject. He is a pronoun. Next one, I gave him the notes. We can see both, okay, pronouns used as a subject and object. I is a pronoun and him is also pronoun. So I is used in the place of subject and him is used in the place of object. The work was done by them. See, the work is a noun here and them is a object. So them is a pronoun. The movie was reviewed by herself. Okay, all reflexive pronouns are pronouns. So the movie is a subject here and by herself is a object. So herself is a pronoun used as an object in a sentence. So this is how we use pronouns in the place of subject and also in the place of object, same like noun. Now let us see how we can use adjective. So adjective means, okay, those words which describe noun, right? Yes, it can be used after the be form or before a noun. Okay, let us see the examples how we can use adjectives in a sentence. First one, She is a beautiful, or sorry, she is beautiful. Okay, so she is a subject here. Okay, is a be form and it is used after the be form. She is beautiful. The shopkeeper is honest. Again, shopkeeper is a noun here. Is a be form of verb and it is used after the be form. Honest. Here also same thing. Ramesh is obedient. Okay, it is used after the be form. Intelligent people. Okay, here intelligent people is a noun phrase here. So intelligent is a adjective. It is used before the noun. Okay, intelligent people don't copy. Then big countries have huge resources. Okay, country is a noun here. So before that it is big. Big is a adjective here. Okay, big countries have huge resources. So before the noun. Then the college has finest classrooms. Okay, college has finest classroom. See here, finest is an adjective. It is used before the noun. The clean cities are found in indoor. Okay, clean cities are found in indoors. It is used okay before the cities, before the noun. Okay, clean is the adjective here. So clean cities are found in indoors. So this is how we use adjectives in a sentence, either after the be form or before the noun. So noun, you should remember where and all we can use noun, either in the place of subject or object. Okay, noun can be used in the place of subject also, an object, and we can see it clearly. Big, here it is, big country is a subject. Now noun is used as a subject here, country is a subject. Okay, in this sentence, okay, classroom is a object. Okay, so noun has used as a object here, so before the noun, here also before the noun, so remember that. Okay, next one is verb. How we can use the verb in a sentence? So usually verbs are used after the subject because it reflects the action of the subject. So usually it is after the subject. You can see here, he always watches TV, so before the subject. Then he gave me a chocolate, so before the subject. We missed the bus, so before the subject, sorry, after the subject. It's raining outside, after the subject. So this is how we use the verb, usually after the subject. Okay, it is always after the subject. Next one, adverb. How we can use adverb in a sentence? Let us see the example. He is speaking slowly. Okay, so here slowly is a adverb. How, where it is used? So it is used after the verb, right? He is speaking slowly. He is a very slow speaker. Okay, where it is used? Okay, where the adverb is used? So here adverb is used before adjective. Slow is an adjective here, so before the adjective is, okay, verb is used. He is going to act now, so it is used at the end of a sentence. The customer strongly objected the hike in price, so where it is used? It is used before the verb. So you can see here it is after the verb, here it is before the verb. So this is of the verb, adverb is used in a sentence. Next one, how we can use conjunctions in a sentence. So conjunctions, remember, they are used to join the two sentences or words or clauses. Okay, so that's what conjunction. So examples, the passenger got worried when the train left abruptly. See here, two sentences are there. The passengers got worried, the train left abruptly. So this is joined by the conjunction when. I will do your work. Okay, one sentence. You have to give me a treat. Another sentence. So these both sentences are joined by a conjunction called but. The man is sharp and intelligent. See here, sharp and intelligent. Two words are joined by the conjunction and. The students came to class. Okay, before the bell rang. Student came to the class is a one sentence. Okay, the bell rang is a another clause here, so it is joining the one sentence and a clause, so that is the before is used as a conjunction. And next one, until you come. Until you come here, I will not move. Okay, so here both the sentences, you come here, I will not move, is joined by the word conjunction called until. He played football. Okay, one sentence, even though he doesn't know to play. Okay, he played football, he doesn't know to play. See here, these two words are joined by one conjunction called even though. So this is how we use conjunctions in a sentence. Last one is preposition. How we use preposition in a sentence? It is used as before the noun or pronoun or noun phrase. Okay, usually prepositions are used before a noun or pronoun or noun phrase. Let's see the examples. I went to watch cinema with my friends. So here my friends is a noun phrase. So before noun phrase it is okay, preposition is used. The boy was hiding under the desk. So here before noun, the preposition is used. Under is a preposition here. Next, the snake came into my room. My room is a noun phrase here. So before noun phrase, I have used or preposition has been used. The last one, he sat upon a desk. So before the noun, okay, preposition is used. Okay, so this is how we use the prepositions in a sentence. Now let us go to the next one, very important one, how to identify the parts of speech in a sentence. Okay, so this is the sentence. The young and energetic boy was sleeping in the ground nicely. Okay, I have made a little bit complicated sentence so that I can include all the parts of speech. The young and energetic boy was playing in the ground nicely. Okay, let us identify. Okay, young and energetic. Okay, what is this? So let us identify that young and energetic. What is it is? Then boy. Okay, what is it? So let us identify was playing. Okay, another. Then in, then ground, and then nicely. So these are the various aspects that we have identified. So what is this young and energetic? So young and energetic is a adjective. It's an adjective, right? It describes the noun boy. Then what is boy? Boy is a noun here. Then was playing. Okay, was playing helping verb plus main verb. So it is a verb. In is a preposition. The ground is a noun again, noun here. And nicely is a adverb which describes how he was playing. He was playing nicely. So this is how we can identify various parts of speech in this particular sentence. So you also should be able to identify different parts of speech in a sentence. So that means if you are able to identify, that means you completely came to know about different parts of speech. Now, another sentence. The cute child incredibly gave a brilliant performance with a short time. Again, I have included or tried to include all the parts of speech. Okay. Now, let us identify what are the things are there in this sentence. So, there is a word called cute. Then there is a word called child. There is a word called incredibly. There is a word called gave. There is a word called brilliant. There is a word called performance. There's a word called within, and there is a word called short. There's another word called time. So what is this? Okay, what is cute child? Okay, describes the noun. That means cute should be adjective. See, this is how we have to apply our knowledge or apply the concept of a particular part of speech, and we can able to identify what it is. Okay, cute describes what? Okay, cute describes noun here, child. So cute is an adjective, child is a, of course it is a noun. Incredibly. Okay, what is this? So it is an adverb. Okay, how was the performance? Okay, how he gave the performance? Incredibly. Okay, incredibly is a adverb here. Gave is a verb here. Brilliant performance, this is a noun here, right? So describes the noun, so that means it is an adjective. Okay, what is performance? Performance is a noun here. Then within, it is a preposition here. Again, short time. Time is a noun, describes the noun. Short is adjective, time is a noun. So this is how we can easily identify various parts of speech. You also should be able to identify like this. So then only you can clearly understand parts of speech. If you're not able to identify properly what is this, then go back to the particular part of speech. Okay, because we have already described all the parts of speech in various classes, right? 1 to 10. So for example, if you're not able to identify adverb, then go back to the class adverb and understand clearly what is adverb. Okay, if you're not able to identify adjective, go back to the adjective class. Once again listen to the class, then definitely you will be able to identify what is an adjective. This is what required, okay, before we speak English properly. Okay, that's why we have included this basic grammar part, so that your spoken English becomes more relevant, more meaningful. Okay, now you have an activity here. What is that activity? Some sentences I have given. You try to identify various parts of speech. First one, Sachin went quickly down the street to the brown hut. After the match, they went to beach by driving the car swiftly. Next, a rich lady bought beautiful diamond carefully from the shop. Mr. Jack went to shop quickly and purchased a nice watch. So there are four sentences here. You try to identify different parts of speech in each sentence. Okay, separate each word and point out which part of speech it is. Okay, so I hope everybody will do this activity. So meet you in the next class with new subject. So till then, thank you. Bye bye.